Today I'm going to a bird show with my birds. It's just a pet bird show. So I brought my lovebird, my Linnies, I got my Conure, my Lorikeet, 2 English Budgies. Well, I think that's it. Anyways, we're on our way now. So we're in the van and it's raining, which is a drag. Anyway, I got some small cages to put my birds in when they're on display. My English Budgies are in here, covered up and warm. I got Rocket and Kiwi in here. A lovebird and 2 Linnies. So I'm taking them to the pet bird show to give the general public information about keeping pet birds. So here's all my birds. Kiwi and Rocket. Wizard and Merlin. Paradise. Galaxy and Sapphire. So I'm on my way home. We had a good day at the pet bird show. And a lot of people love Kiwi, of course, because he's very rare. You don't see him too often. Hey, Kiwi. So we're back in the van and we're going to go home now. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.